रहा हूँ। तो ये जो हमारे सिंगोनियम की कटिंग्स हैं उनका रिज़ल्ट आप देख रहे हैं। नए लीव्स भी आप देख रहे हैं कि इसके निकल रहे हैं। ये अंदर व्यू है। Oh my God! This is very surprising to me to saw this Syngonium plant has broken. I come home after 2 or 3 days, and this is very surprising for me that my Syngonium plant has broken, and you can see the leaves turn their colors dry, and some leaves are totally dead, but one part of the root stem with roots save in a little water. I am so confused how I can save this plant. This is very important and beautiful plant. You saw the arrowhead Syngonium plants are looking so beautiful. So I want to save this plant. So you can see the position of the plant is not good, but I will try my best to save this plant. So we start work on it and try to save the Syngonium plant. First of all, I will remove or cut this leaf which is dead and turned brown. You can see this is totally dead and turned yellow. I will cut it, then I will keep this stem into water for propagation and their root developments, and the other part of the plant you can see in a bottle have too much roots. This part is we will also grow this part in separate pot. I will keep this plant into I think water medium is water. So we will start it. Now you can see we have take a bottle with water filled, and we can keep this stem into a water state. But before keep it into water, I will say to clean the stems, like this is a dead leaf, we can remove from it, and this is still green, might be there a shoot can grow inside this leaf, so we will still keep this leaf with this. So we can keep into water. As soon as the roots will grow, we can transfer this plant into a big container, a big bottle, as you like. Now the other part, we will clean already clean this, and we remove the dead roots from this part. Yes, you can see these are the dead. Yes, we can cut the roots, you can see, which is this is also not a good root, so we will remove or cut. Some roots and remove the mostly. So we have took this container, and we will keep this part of the plant. You can see this became a cutting, and there is a starting already starting a shoot here, so we will keep into a position like this. The roots will cover with the soil like this. We will take care it and keep this piece of cutting of Syngonium plant into shady area, and keep soil moisture. Thing is, I can show you. You can see we have already grew a cutting into soil. You can see the leaf is starting now. Already one part of with roots we have keep in soil. You can see the other leaf is also dwelled. And after few days you will see, you can see the development of Syngonium plant like this. This is already I have shown you. We have keep this cutting into water, and you can see the roots are growing very well. Also the leaves are rich in color, green shade, and this plant of Syngonium is also growing very well. You can see this new leaf is starting. I will update about this plant, his position and rooting after few days. Okay, bye, take care. You can see the rooting system is developed very good condition. You can see this is another cutting. We keep in water now. The new roots also starting. Cut it again. Multiply this cutting. Roots below the node is this. We can cut from here. Yes. This will propagate very fast in water. We can keep it again in water. This is the holder, and this cutting we also can propagate in water. We will keep one in water, and this portion we will keep above the water. This will also start rooting system and leaves. You can see a piece of the cutting. Another cutting we have also keep in water with the holder, some space above the water level. Keep it. You can see the already propagated syngonium plants and their root system. You can see